Hello there, YouTubers. This is Trey right here. This is an interesting discovery I've made with Second Life right here. You'll see this interface right here that actually looks like a camera. I designed it myself in Photoshop, and it's even got a little bit of shaded edges right here. But anyway, a lot of you are familiar with Second Life's default camera view. Well, I've scripted this HUD to give the person playing a specially modified view, similar to the way you would in, like Silent Hill, for example. Like, usually they're looking over the person's shoulder and whatnot. But, let me show you what I mean exactly. This is what the normal SL view looks like. This is the modified view that I have right here. And you can see my setup is a little bit just like Silent Hill themed, but let's go and check out the environment with this camera. And while I'm at, I'll bring out my crossbow, because we got some cheap little zombies you can take out right here. Of course, I am still working on scripting this crossbow to where it'll damage these guys in pretty much one hit, because the reload time, it takes about a full long amount. But the sim owner is pretty strict about like third-party weapons, so I try and have respect for that. If I've got a one-hit KO weapon, then you definitely gotta even that out by handicapping it with reload time speed. But enough of those guys. Let's go check out the environment. And again, people, this is Second Life right here. We are not playing any other special game like Silent Hill. This is a setup I set up myself, and I'm very happy with the outcome right here. It makes it a lot more immersive, especially in environments like this. And this is also, if you're wondering what this sim is, it's Grimley's Bloodbath and Beyond Zombie Apocalypse main store in Second Life. It's a very, very popular GCS combat system. I've known for a while now. In case you haven't noticed, I got my little meat cleaver in my belt right here. That's something I made out of simple prims. Got this thing right here. You can't really see it very well, but got a. Well, if I can find a place to stop, and I can show you some of the objects that I built right here. And these, well, from what I remember, all these are just completely constructed out of basic shapes, like sheared toruses and whatnot. Anyway, we've got a stopping point. Oh, and you're wondering about the breathing, that's a HUD that I'm wearing. Apparently I'm infected from what it's telling me. But anyways, look at this walkie-talkie we have right. Oh my goodness. Seem to get away from these guys. Let's head up here. There we go. And I'll put this crossbow away. So anyway, this is a walkie-talkie that I scripted where you can toggle it on and off. The buttons down here are invisible, but if I'll pause that music for a bit. You can hear that looping walkie-talkie sound you hear from Silent Hill games. And here's the meat cleaver. Here's sewing. Oh my god, hold still. Sewing shears, LED flash, and I'm being attacked by a bat. And since I'm being attacked by a bat, I better end the video